name is Jerome. I'm here at Santo Domingo Albay, and today we're going to visit Magnum Royal Beach and Resort. This is the house of the owner. Rooms are still under construction, as you can see. So we will just look at what they have.
Up my appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby, it's just twist your body and mine. Up my appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind.
package. That's what you can have if you come here to the resort. And on this part here, there is a stairs. If you would like to go to the water, you can just go down and get into the water. As you can see, the water is clear here, and the tide is getting high. And right here, it looks like a small patio, and looks like you can have a campfire if you stay here overnight. And there's a wall here, and it has a flat surface where you can sit down and relax. Even if they don't, even if their rooms are still under construction, as you can see, they have available rooms here on the ground floor. They have available rooms, and we're going to see one of the rooms. This is the room that I'm telling you. Look at the bed. The bed is really amazing. It looks like you're in a hotel. And they have this TV. They have a TV, flat screen TV. While you are on your bed, you can watch TV. You have the remote control. On this side here, you have the mini bar. but it's just it's empty right now. It's a small fridge, and on this area, go here. As you can see, we have the lavatory here, and there's a mirror, and there's the bathroom over here. There's the bathroom. There's a shower as well. And on this section here, you have your closet for your things you can put there. So that is the room that they have available right now, and this is it costs about 1,500 pesos. So that's our visit here at Magnum Royal Resort. It feels like a private beach resort because at the moment they only have 2 nipa cottages and plus the other smaller cottages on the side, and they have a couple of rooms available as well. Even if the other rooms are still under construction, you can come here and visit. If you just want to stay here for the night, the rooms are available. So if you are the type of person that doesn't want very crowded resorts, this is the place for you. So we have here in Magnum Royal. So thank you for watching and see you on my next video.